What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you're tuning in. The Corvette here, and as you can see in the thumbnail and the title, we are going to another car show. It's called the Need for Speed Car Show here in San Antonio. First one I've been to, so hopefully it's pretty good. It did rain really early this morning, so it's really cloudy, and hopefully that helps with the shade and, you know, the drying of the road so the cars aren't messed up. But anyway, guys, hopefully it's a good one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, and thanks guys for supporting me. Let's go check out that car show, guys. Alright guys, I just made it to the car show, but it's $35 to enter in, and I can't stay all day. It ends at like 6 or something like that, so I'm only going to be here for about maybe an hour or two. So I'm going to park in the Spectator parking, as you can see right behind me, but there are a ton of cars here in the back. So let's go ahead and check them out, and it's going to be a good video, guys. Oh, there's my beautiful ride in the Spectator. Don't worry, we got another show to go to later, so it'll be a night one. But she look good though. Oh, check it out, guys. The fighter jet Mustang, Hayden 5.0, taking off. Check out that one. Man, that is nice. Oh, it sounds like a plane when he's coming in, man. Like, no, real talk. Like, legit plane. Like, you can hear that sucking on that Pro Charger there. Looks freaking insane. Man, look at that. That is a clean wrap. I got something else coming in. Alright guys, check it out. We got a little MX-5. Next to some classics. Little 55 Chevrolet truck. And you got this gold wrapped Hellcat. And right next to it is Shelby GT500. This one's real clean. I've seen this one in one of my other videos, but it's got a VMP Gen 3 blower on the top. All the bells and whistles. Super nice. Let's get a shot of that inside real quick. See the snakes on the seats and the shifter knob as well. Man, very nice, very nice. What do we have here? Jeep looking thing.
You have a car here? No, we're just so late, you know? Ain't nothing to it. Yeah. Thank you. You bet, man.
Got a and we have a little red C5 Z06, guys. It's got an ECS blower on it, as you can see right there. It's got a carbon fiber wide body panel on the back. It's pretty nice.
Yes, sir.
And we got a couple more things over here. Look at that. Old school. For official use only, US Navy. And a little wrap rod right here. That is nice. And then right next to it is Corvette lines, and that one looks kind of like mine. C7, C8s. Look at this. Look at it. That's nice right there. And then next to it as well, a couple more C8s, red. We'll get the interior of this car, kind of like a Ferrari with that tan. We'll make our way down this way. Very nice, very nice. Oh, we got a little BMW with a nice looking wrap on it. Check it out, guys. I want to do something like this on my Vette. Camo wrapped. Oh man.
So basically,
no kids. I like that. That's a nice plate. And right next to him, you got a nice little CTSV. Right next to it. Let me get a shot. Check out this, guys. This was at Cars and Coffee last time. I have no idea what it is, but GT Ford something. It's got a 427 Cobra motor in it. Look at that. That's pretty. Got another little Z51 over here. Got a lot of aftermarket engine cover pieces. Here's that BMW. And then purple and grayish Mustang over here. Look, it's got a little one on the bottom there. Purple wheels. That's pretty nice. And then look, behind this Jeep right here is a gray, looks like a Z51, but look, it's got like pink on it, so obviously it's female driven, but pretty cool to add that, kind of make it your own, you know? All right, guys, so now we got a couple more classics. Chevrolet truck. Little classic Mustang. Look at that, though. Man.
Hey, go roll up the windows and lock the truck, please.
Look at that. Look at the tires on the back, guys. Holy cow. Yeah, that's straight racing right there. Wow. You can kind of see inside.
I'll slide it.
That is wild. And then look, check it out, guys. You got a little Acura NSX orange. You don't see these often. Look, even the interior is like matching. Look at that. Same with the back. That is nice. We got a little Porsche GT4. That's very nice. And next to it is a silver G. I was gonna say G35, R35 GTR. There's a little bit of the engine bay. His windows are down, so let's get a shot. Got the Recaros. Very nice, very nice. And we got a couple more classics, guys. Look at this Chevelle. Man, look at that. Let me get a shot of the inside. Wow, look at that. That is clean. Super, super clean. And then right next to it, a Camaro RS. I gotta get a shot of these guys. Look how much room there is in the engine bay and how clean it is. Look, here's another shot of the interior. I got a shot of the back as well on these. Classics galore. Some more over here. And you got a Shelby GT500 05 to 09, I think, or 07 to 09. Blue, white stripes. got the stock blower on it, it looks like. Man, I remember when I wanted one of these when they first came out. Let me take a look at the inside. See the snake on the seat there. Look at that. Wow. Then you got another Shelby GTS. He's come to a couple meets. You don't see these too often though, but it does have a supercharged TVS 2650 blower is what it looks like on there. Matching interior, so the orange with black scheme. That looks pretty nice. See the Shelby lettering on there. But pretty nice car, guys. I mean, look, Shelby's on the intercooler tank, on the engine oil, Shelby here. It lets you know you have a Shelby. Look, even on the wheels down here, look. Shelby on the caliper, Shelby on the middle cap there. And on the wheel, on the rim itself right there, Shelby. Pretty cool though. All right, we found another little classic Mustang over here. Red, I like it. Let me get a shot of the inside. Nice. All right, we got some Mopar guys here, guys. A black Hellcat with the red rims on it. There's the goods. Hellcat supercharged engine. Shot of the interior. And we'll make it our way over here. There's another one. It's a maroonish looking one. It's another shot. And oh, I like all the red on this. Look at that. Custom. That is cool. But I didn't see that look. But did you die? That is funny. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then right next to it, another one. El Diablo SRT. Check it out, guys. Suicide Squad. That is cool. That is super cool. And I think my favorite one out of all of them, the Cookie Monster one. I love cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Man, that is awesome. Look at that. I'm gonna steal one of these. Ah! Playing. Check it out, guys. Another classic Mustang over here. 1964 and a half, I think, is what this one is. Because there's a plaque and all this information is right next to it. I'm assuming that's what this one is. Very nice, very nice. Wow, it looks new. Oh guys, I found it, the C6 ZR1. Oh man, that is so nice. Stockish whips, that's his whip right here. Thing is insane, especially the color. I just love these ZR1s. And just because you can see through the hood, see that LS9 supercharged blower on top. Man, so clean, guys. The wheels. I believe this one's pushing 900, I think, if I'm not mistaken, but pretty incredible. And you got a nice Z01 right next to it as well. Black on black. One of my buddies used to have one. Thing got up and moved, I'll tell you that. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Them two together. Got a little wrapped pink BMW over here, E60. And whatever this is, kit car or something, I have no idea, but it's cool. It's so low to the ground. Man, wow. Holy cow, guys. GTMA 2008. That is wild. Look at the back. Look, you can see the engine through the window. And then look, the exhaust pipes coming out right there. Wow, that is cool. That is cool. And then right next to it, look, Look at the size of these tires, guys. I wonder how much those cost. Good Lord, look, it's so tight in here too. Oh my gosh. Matching seats, headers, blower, old school blower on it. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. And the same with this one too. Look at those tires. Mickey Thompson, E.T. Streets. Man. Wow. That is awesome. Found another classic Camaro, guys. SS green. Looks nice. Let me get a shot of this interior. You know I got to. And then right next to it, another nice classic over here. You can see the engine and the interior. Monte Carlo. Oh guys, I just seen this gray, like 2020 and above Shelby GT500 coming. Oh man, look at that. It's so beautiful. I wish I could have one. I would have one. Look at that. Man. And then a really nice Weekend Garage 210. There you go. Gap pack. Sounds so good. Alright guys, I found the GT500. It is parked over here. I just wanted to get a shot of the engine bay just because it's beautiful. A little dirty, but still nice. Very nice. Like I said, I wish I could have one of these. They're just so awesome. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Either that or the Terminator. But we'll see. And there's that other Challenger that came in. Got the whale wheels on the back. Looks nice. Aftermarket hood. Got a little truck coming in and a little classic Mustang with the top off. All right guys, check it. So these aren't in the car show, but look, that's pretty nice. 392 Hemi RT. Little Challenger right there. And then another one, blue one, Hellcat right there. And then, oh, a Shelby GT500. Or GT500. I mean 350. Sorry guys, 350. I was thinking of the gray one back there. But let me get a quick shot, because that is nice. Wow. Man, look at that. White, blue stripes. Clean. And then we got a couple of BMWs over here that I guess weren't in the show, but they're lined up. Oh, I found this little Camaro over here. He's not in the show either, but parked under the shade. Blue SS. It's got a Buffs detail supply in it. Pretty nice. Alright guys, so as you can see, the sun is out, it's getting hot, and I don't want to be out here anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and take off, but video was good. Tons of awesome cars. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, because I'm bringing you tons. Alright guys, this is the Corvette out. Peace.